Hey everybody, so here is my introduction to the 48-hour group build. Let's see, right now it's 8:04, Friday, July 28th. So the actual group build is officially started, but I haven't. So it's either between, this one it's a 1/32 scale Owners Club brand, a little Honda delivery wagon, and so this one's a 63, so it's between, this is the one I'm going to get started on right away, so it's between this one and this one, 56 Mazda T2000. It's the same scale. The reason why I wouldn't start with this one is because of that green tarp cover. It needs quite a bit of filling and everything, so I might not do that. So if this one takes no time at all to start and get done, I'll probably have both of them going at the same time. But that is all in the box. The actual cover is all one piece, so I don't have to worry so much about seam filling. So remember the decals that come with it. Little dinky tires. And 2 metal axles, so it should sit pretty nice and true. And then here is the instructions. Let's take a quick look at that. That's a typical Owners Club instructions where they got all the different cars that they're selling. Quick little overview of all the pieces and parts and the decals. So you got a nice little detailed interior, and then you have the undercarriage, which is only 3 pieces, 3-piece dash, the detail painting of it, and then the final assembly of the outside. So I have to assemble this first, paint the body. Of course, have everything in except for glass, and then I can assemble. Well, I guess I'll paint this first. I'll assemble that and paint it, and then I'll have to mask it off and paint the interior. And there's all the final pieces. So I probably will end up doing this one in a color kind of like this. This is enamel. I'm going to use my lacquer that's like this, so I definitely won't be using enamel on it, but there's a 1-coat lacquer that is that color, so I'll make sure to use that instead. So that'd be green with metallic. It'd be kind of fancy little delivery truck. So let's cut these pieces open and see what they look like. So here's the glass. I really didn't like how they packaged that. It's a little foggy. Maybe I'll put some plastic cleaner and see how it comes out. You get the little bed cover. This will be a brown. And then I have some sanding I have to do. Clean up some lines. There is one part of the body. That's done there really nice. Cut that off and glue the other front piece on. And then here is the last tree. It's a lot of hand painting. Will have to be done on the chassis. That will be glued on to the front, and that will be glued on. Interior pieces, exhaust, do some weathering on that. Dashboard. It's not a lot of parts. So should have no problem getting that one done in time. As long as paint dries, should be fine. Let's look at the other one. So there is the cover, like I showed you a little bit ago. See a lot more parts in this one. This here is, well, I don't know if I'm going to get this piece done. If I hold those together, you can see this big gap. I don't even want to hold together in my hand. There's a big gap in there. So I'm either going to have to do a lot of sanding and then do a little bit of filling, or I'm going to have to do a lot of filling. So if I do this one, this is not going to be in the build. There is the front. Pretty cool. It does have some flash on it. Have to cut that out. It does have some seam lines too. And that bag looks like it's four trees in it. There's the windshield. There is the frame, the back, the bed back, some wheel fenders for the bed part, and then the front fender, and then the brake and all that housing for the front one tire, which is pretty cool. You got your 3 rims, your interior, exhaust, and drive axle. It appears this part here is broke. That is the headrest. So that kind of sucks. I have to set that siding. Be careful with that. And then here is the bed. Bed and 2 sides. So we'll see if I do this one or not. If I don't do it, I'm still going to do it relatively soon. I do have 3 builds. 1 you guys haven't seen, and 1 is done that you haven't seen, and 1 is gone quite a bit. Been being really lazy on videos lately. So hopefully everybody has a good one, but that is my intro into the 48-hour group build for 2023, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.